Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove all section breaks at once in Word. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is just simply tap on your keyboard, Control and H. And from here guys, you should be able to see here the Find and Replace tab. And from here, just make sure you are on the Replace over here. And now just go ahead and go for More over here. And now once you are on the More, you can just simply click on Special over here. And a tab will show up. And from here, you should be able to see Section Break. And guys, from here, just leave this replace with a blank. And from there, you can just go ahead and replace all. And from there, you'll be able to remove them all at once. And as you can see, I have two replacement which remove the section break. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.